Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric monophone rotary dial desk telephone. And this is Alex's equipment from Ohio, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we need to go through and troubleshoot the entire telephone. We're going to have to take a look at the handset cord. We're going to make a decision what we need to do with the handset cord. We also want to remove the red winding that they put around the handset cord. That needs to be removed. We also want to take a look at the line cord. We want to see what we can do with the line cord. We want to try to utilize the original cords that this telephone came in with. Now the receiver capsule is the original style metal diaphragm type receiver capsule. So we're going to try to utilize that in the conversion, and if we cannot get enough audio from that metal style diaphragm receiver capsule, we're going to go ahead and upgrade that part of the handset. The transmitter will be upgraded to an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop because we want plenty of transmit power. The rotary dial is very sluggish. We need to go through the rotary dial and repair any issues that we find, and that will be cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. We also need to install a dial center card, something to the period of this telephone. There is an issue with the handset cradle. One of the posts for the handset cradle is broken off, and someone drove a screw a long time ago into that handset cradle, so that post was there and the handset did not fall out of the cradle. And we've looked at some other cradles that we could maybe use instead of the original cradle, but I don't like how they're going to fit. And this cradle has an automatic electric metal tag. Once you pick up the handset, that tag has got some information on it, and we want to try to save that tag in the conversion. So we're probably going to end up repairing the cradle post because the cradle's original to the telephone. We also need to rewire the inside of this telephone the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We have a lot of issues that need to be taken care of with this telephone, so we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that we need to do. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool automatic electric mono rotary desk telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing process. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs and the converting of this really cool telephone. And we want to run through a little bit about what went on with this unit. Now, we don't normally get into the cosmetic issues with telephones, but since this is such a cool telephone and it had some issues, we went ahead and took care of the situation. Now, the informational tag that's in the cradle, and that is a metal tag, and it's really cool to see that informational tag, had something spilt on it years ago, and it really messed up the tag. So basically, the tag had to be redone totally. And that was a total reminder of why I never got into a sign painting business. It's a lot of work. That was taken care of. We also repaired the post on the original cradle, so we took care of that issue. We installed a new handset cloth cord and a cloth line cord, so they were both replaced. We also had to upgrade the receiver capsule. It just didn't give us the audio that we wanted, and it was very tinty. We also installed our electronic amplified transmitter so that you would have plenty of transmit power, along with all the other issues that we took care of. So there was plenty of work involved in this telephone. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any kind of a humming or noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We're going to go ahead and start our final checkout, and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call the time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, December 31st. The current time, 3:57 p.m. and the temperature, 21 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool automatic electric mono rotary dial telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Alex and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.